breathing apparatus is used for self-to-rescue of an environment that has become hazardous after entry to it. The most common example of this is used in confined space where there is no immediate danger from gas or oxygen deficiency, but the risk of danger remains, and so escape BA set is carried, enabling the user to don the test and rescue themselves for hazardous environment. An escape set consists of a small compressed air cylinder, either 2.0 L and 3.0 L in size, that feeds air into a phase space. Escape sets usually supplied with either a positive pressure closed fitting hood. Regular users of full face mask will usually prefer the comfort and familiarity of a closed fitting face mask, whilst irregular users will find the loose fitting hood easier to don in emergency situation. It is worth noting as well that a loose fitting hood accommodates user with a facial hair and glasses. Resuscitation equipment will be used relatively frequently, and there is much to said for selecting items that are both easy to use and maintain. Staff must know where find equipment at the time it is needed in training, and its use must be undertaken to a level appropriate to the individual's accepted role. Each practice should have a named individual with responsibility for checking the state of readiness of all resuscitation drugs and equipment, including the AED, and on a regular basis, ideally once a week. It's common with drug disposable items like the adhesive electrodes have a finite shelf life and will require replacement from the time if unused. Escape and rescue. All facilities should have an emergency escape and rescue or EER plan whose object is to ensure the safety of personnel during the course of an emergency. The following guidance for us offshore facilities, which are generally very congested, but it is useful for developing similar plan onshore. Provide a means for personnel to leave their area of work where the incident is taking place. Provide a safe area, a temporary refuge where personnel can gather until the incident is brought under control. The safe area should be protected by smoke and gas egress, flammable and toxic. Oxygen deficiency, carbon dioxide accumulation, internal generation of toxic fumes, and excessive heat.